join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our paws.
Five little ducks went out to play, waddling together on a sunny day. They splashed in puddles, chased butterflies, laughing softly under bright blue skies. Mama duck called, "Come back to me," but only 4 ducks came from the tree. 4 little ducks swam down the stream, gliding like ribbons in a sparkling dream. They dipped their beaks, made ripples wide, racing the fishes side by side. Mama duck quacked, "Where could you be?" But only 3 ducks returned happily. 3 little ducks ran through the reeds, following the wind and the chirping of seeds. They climbed small rocks and slid back again, playing in sunshine, splashing like rain. Mama duck called, "Listen to me," but only 2 ducks came back to see. 2 little ducks wandered far and near, exploring the meadow with nothing to fear. They chased soft shadows, danced in the light, turning the morning into pure delight. Mama duck quacked, "Home now please," but only 1 duck waddled through the trees. 1 little duck was left behind, lost in a world so big and kind. He looked around with curious eyes, searching for home under open skies. Mama duck called, "Where could you be?" But no little duck came back to her tree. Mama duck cried with a gentle sigh, her voice echoing softly through the sky. She called once more with all her love, her quack floating high like a peaceful dove. And suddenly all 5 ducks appeared, waddling back close, happy and cheered. 5 little ducks gathered near her side, snuggling safely in warmth and pride. Mama duck smiled, her heart so wide, keeping her little ones close for the ride. Together they rested at the end of the day, drifting to sleep in a cozy bay.
Let's clap our paws.
Red is the color of apples bright, shining warmly in the sunlight. Orange is the hue of pumpkins near, glowing softly as autumn is here. Yellow is the sun up in the sky, smiling warmly as clouds float by. Green is the grass beneath your feet, soft and fresh and smelling sweet. Blue is the ocean, deep and wide, waves are dancing with the tide. Purple is flowers in the spring, blooming gently as birds sing. Pink is the petals of roses fair, floating lightly in the air. Brown is the tree trunk, strong and tall, holding branches that sway with all. Black is the night when stars appear, quiet and calm and full of cheer. White is the snow that covers the ground, sparkling softly without a sound. we see in the world around for you and me. Sing them loudly, point and play. Colors brighten every day. Red is the color of apple sprite, shining warmly in the sunlight. Orange is the hue of pumpkins near, glowing softly as autumn is here. Yellow is the sun up in the sky, smiling warmly as clouds float by. Green is the grass beneath your feet, soft and fresh and smelling sweet. Blue is the ocean, deep and wide, waves are dancing with the tide. Purple is flowers in the spring, blooming gently as birds sing. Pink is the petals of roses fair, floating lightly in the air. Brown is the tree trunk, strong and tall, holding branches that sway with all. Black is the night when stars appear, quiet and calm and full of cheer. White is the snow that covers the ground, sparkling softly without a sound. Colors are everywhere we see in the world around for you and me. Sing them loudly, point and play. Colors brighten every day. Ooh. Ooh. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed, laughing so loudly as the moonlight spread. They bounced so high till the room felt bright, turning bedtime moments into playtime night. Mama called out, "Settle down, you 5." But the monkeys kept jumping, feeling so alive. They spun in circles, landing with a skid, making funny faces like excited little kids. 4 little monkeys still jumping around, their tiny feet thumping with a happy sound. They leaped in the air like birds in flight, shadows dancing softly in the gentle night. Mama warned again, "Calm down before you fall." But the monkeys giggled, ignoring her call. They twirled and tumbled, landing in a heap, turning sleepy time into fun too deep. 3 little monkeys refusing to rest, jumping like heroes on an endless quest. One did a flip, another spun twice, thinking bedtime rules never sound nice. Mama shook her head, standing by the door, saying, "Monkeys, no jumping anymore." But the playful trio kept bouncing with delight, turning quiet hours into a silly night. 2 little monkeys bouncing side by side, trying cool tricks with unstoppable pride. One jumped high, the other jumped low, making the pillows fly like falling snow. Mama sighed softly, "Listen now, please." But the monkeys still moved with playful ease. Their laughter echoed from wall to wall. Still they didn't stop, not even a small stall. One little monkey left on the bed, jumping alone with a sleepy head. He tried to leap high but felt too slow, yawning mid-air with a gentle glow. Mama whispered kindly, "It's time to sleep." And the little one nodded with a drowsy peep. He curled in the blanket, soft and wide, letting warm dreams drift inside. No little monkeys jumping tonight, only calm soft moonlight. The stars peek through the sky above, filling the room with quiet love. Mama smiled gently, turning off the light, whispering, "Sleep well, my monkeys, good night."